The journey didn't begin at the mountain. It began with a decision to leave everything behind for a while. At 10:30 in the morning, we stepped into a bus in Colombo, a city that never slows down. The streets were alive, but our minds were already somewhere else, somewhere quieter. As the bus moved forward, the noise slowly faded. Buildings turned into trees. Concrete turned into green. The road stretched ahead like a promise. Hours passed, and with every turn the world felt different. Cool air touched our faces, mist rolled over the hills. Tea estates painted the land in endless shades of green. And then, in the distance, we saw the proud silhouette of the Seven Virgins mountain range, standing still, ancient, watching us pass. It felt like we were entering another world. By evening, we reached Nallathanniya, the gateway to something greater. This is the famous Hatton route to Adam's Peak, the most traveled path built with steps, lights, and small shops along the way. A route that welcomes thousands of pilgrims every season. But that night, it was different. More silent, less crowded, more personal. At exactly 6 p.m., we began the climb. Step 1. That first step always feels easy. It's the thousands that follow that test you. The night wrapped around us like a blanket. Lights from the trail stretched upward into darkness, like a stairway to the sky. The sound of footsteps echoed in the quiet. Sometimes we spoke, sometimes we didn't. Because some moments don't need words. Halfway through, the climb started to speak back. Our legs grew heavy, breathing got deeper. Every step demanded more. We stopped, rested, looked up, and saw nothing but more stairs. And yet, we kept going, because something at the top was calling us. Around midnight, we made it. Above the clouds, above the noise, above everything. It was cold, quiet, peaceful. We didn't say much, we didn't need to. We just sat there, waiting. Time slowed down. The sky was still dark, but something was changing. And then light. At around 6 a.m., the first ray of sunlight broke through the horizon. The sky turned gold, the clouds glowed. For a moment, everything felt still. Every step, every drop of sweat, every second of struggle, it all made sense. But the journey wasn't over yet, because the real adventure was waiting on the other side. We chose the Kuruwita Erathna Route for our descent. Unlike the Hatton path, this route doesn't guide you with lights or crowds. It takes you deep into nature, raw, untouched, alive. The trail was longer, rougher, wilder, but also more beautiful. We stepped into the forest, and instantly everything changed. The silence of the night turned into the music of nature. Birds began to sing, water flowed through hidden streams. mist danced between the trees. It felt like the mountain was showing us a different side of itself, a more secret one. Every step down revealed something new. Waterfalls rushing through rocks, narrow paths covered in leaves, cold water touching tired feet. There were no crowds here, just us and the mountain. 20 kilometers from the busiest city to the quietest peak, through the wildest path back down. This wasn't just a hike. It was a journey through contrasts. Noise to silence, darkness to light, struggle to peace. And in the end, we didn't just reach the top. We found something along the way. Shripada isn't just a climb, it's a story you feel.